Welcome to Study Loop.
So for part A, we want to find the longitudinal separation. So we can say longitudinal separation between Helsinki and explosion site. We know to be delta theta, and this would be equal to 102 degrees minus 25 degrees. This is equaling 77 degrees. Now, the spin of the Earth is constant. We know that the angular velocity of Earth is, of course, one revolution for every 1 day. So this is equaling 360 degrees, essentially, for every 24 hours. And so we can then say that delta t, the delta theta corresponds to a time interval of 77 degrees multiplied by 24 hours for every 360 degrees, giving us approximately 5.1 hours. This would be your answer for part A. Now, for part B, however, delta theta now equals 102 degrees minus negative 20 degrees. This is giving us 122 degrees. So the required time shift, delta t, would be equal to 122 degrees multiplied by, again, 24 hours for every 360 degrees. This is giving us 8.1 hours. This would be your answer for part B. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.